The devastation continues. The blizzard of 2018 continues unabated. Now, not only is the snow piling up on the grass, there's even a little bit of snow on the sidewalks. The parking lot is treacherous. The side roads have fractions of an inch of snow on them. People like me, whose 2006 Corolla has balding tires, it's very, very treacherous. Look at the balcony. Look at the piling. Look at the snow piling up. Look at that. And I don't know if you can see this. There's even sleet in there. My God. Look, it's piling up on top of this little crate that I have for my kittens, so they don't run away. There's no drifting yet, thank God. It's bad, people. It's bad. This is a disaster. Montgomery County Schools, bravely and wisely closed today, because before this blizzard is over, there could be, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch of snow on the grass. So thank God they closed the schools, so the children will be safe. So again, this is Andrew Paul Scatino reporting from Rockville for NBC4 Citizen Report Weather Crisis. Hopefully in the round-the-clock coverage of the blizzard later today, they'll get this on air. If the power doesn't go out, I'm going to upload it to YouTube and send them the link. So stay safe, people. Shelter in place. Oh, I see a car trying to navigate. Quick, let me get this. There's a car. Look at that. Look, they could barely make it up that little hill. People are walking in this treacherous snow. Stay safe, people.